Coming to the buffet? Where you running to? Chicken buffet. Yeah, chicken buffet. Chicken buffet, Daddy Roo. One buffet dish over here. I'll put the other buffet dish over here. This one's the Supremo Precious Scrappies. This chicken here's got a crispy chicken tender. Daddy Roo's over here eating a salad. Homemade pancakes. And there's a fork in here. Whoopsies. I don't need that. You'll be a taker. Here. Here, Kayla, you want some watermelon? Watermelon? Watermelon, yeah? What about you, Rooster? Anybody want watermelon? 2IC? Yeah, buddy. How about you, little Roo? Chicken buffet. Chicken buffet. Plucking good time. Chicken buffet. Are you going for the salad? There's watermelon under the salad. Yeah, I'd probably avoid that too. And parasite going around. It is Arkansas. So many roosters in this last batch of hatch. You're a rooster. You're a rooster. You're a rooster. That's a rooster. These are hens. Surely there's a rooster in here. Oh, here he is. You're a rooster. You're the baby.